Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to export CapCut videos in CapCut PC. So if you're done editing your video on CapCut PC, here's how to export. Because I noticed that in the comments, some of you have some difficulties in exporting the video. So to export, you actually just need to click on export button at the top, and then this box will show. So if you want to change the title of the video, you can do that in here. For example, edit it, and then you can also change the folder, that the source folder or the exporting path here. I suggest that you choose the folder that easiest to find for you in your computer, and then after that you can also change the resolution, bitrate, the format, and also the frame rate. And if you're done, just click on export. Just wait until the process is finished. So after that, it will go like this. You can actually directly upload it to YouTube or TikTok by clicking on these buttons, or you can also open the folder to find the locations of the video that you've just exported. Okay, so I think that's pretty easy. I hope this will be helpful. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button on there. And also don't forget to leave comment and subscribe if you haven't done that. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.